Hello students of class 9th. I am Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School. Today we discuss the solution of a linear equation. Today we discuss the solution of a linear equation. Solution of linear equation. How can find the solution of a linear equation? Now, the solution of a linear equation can be found by the inspection method. By the inspection method. Now here, two type of equation are given. One variable equation and second variable equation. Now find the four different solutions of the given equation. Find four different solution of equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Now here we put the different value of x. We put the different value of x in the equation and we get the value of y. And we put the different value of x, then we get the value of y. Otherwise, now first we put the value of x equal to 0. Then 0 plus 2y equal to 6. 2y equal to 6 and y equal to 3. So the point 0.03 is the solution of first. 0, 3 is the solution of first. Similarly, now we can find second point. X equal to 2. 2 plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6 minus 2 and 2y equal to 4. So y equal to 2. The point 22. The point 22 is the second solution of the equation. And third, x is equal to 4. Now 4 plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6 minus 4 and 2y equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now the point 4, 1 is the third solution of the given equation. Now 4, 1 is the third solution of the given equation and the fourth value x is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6 minus 6 and y equal to 2y equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The point 60 is the solution of given equation. 60 is the solution of given equation. This is the inspection method. This is the inspection method. Now we try to understand. Put the different value of x and we get the value of y. So the different point we find. How many points? Different points, like infinite points. Clear? Now the next. Now here, second question is that the equation and their point. Equation and their points are given. Equation and their points are given. Then you satisfy the given point to the equation. यानी आपको पॉइंट दिया गया है, आपको कुछ पॉइंट दिए गए हैं. इस पॉइंट की सहायता से हमें इस इक्वेशन को चेक करना है. चेक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर which of the following are solution of the equation. Solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and 0 to 20 40 root 2 4 root 2 11 are solution of the given equation. Are solution of the given equation. Now these points are put in the given equation. These points are put in the given equation. Then the equation are satisfied. The point is a solution of the given equation. Otherwise, point put in the equation are not satisfied. Point put in the equation are not satisfied. Then the equation is not the solution of given points. Now first, x minus 2y equal to 4. X minus 2y equal to 4. 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. Minus 4 equal to 4. That is not equal. 0 to is not solution of equation. Solution of equation. Now similarly, fourth point, root 2, 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, x minus 2y equal to 4. Equal to 4. root 2 minus 8 root 2 equal to 4 and minus 7 root 2 equal to 4. That is not equal. That is not equal. So minus 7 root 2 equal to 4. Root 2, 4 root 2 is not solution of equation. Solution of the equation. Now we similarly find the value of the given equation. Find the value of the given equation. Therefore, the remaining value are put in the given equation. The remaining value are put in the given equation. If the points are satisfy the equation, that point is the solution of equation. Otherwise, the point not satisfy the equation, it is not the solution of given equation. So therefore, the question is related to the exercise second, and the remaining question you solve from the exercise. Now thanks today.